What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video we're going to be doing a review on the camera of the Moto E5 Plus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with doing a rear camera, which is actually what I'm recording on right now. You can see the audio and the camera visual. This is a 12 megapixel rear facing camera. Alright guys, so this is the 12 megapixel front facing camera. And now I'm going to show you guys some still images of both the rear and the front facing camera. Go ahead. Let's go ahead and check out the camera itself though. So you have different options. You have the photo modes and then you have video modes. If you just click on here, you have slow motion. And then I'm going to do an in-depth camera review for the Moto E5 versus the Stylo 4. Make sure you subscribe so you can be updated when that video is uploaded. Looking at the camera, let's go ahead and take some pictures of the phone box and see how well this will come out. If the light is too dark, you can actually just click on it and you can raise the exposure if you want a lot or less, depending how much you want. Then let's go back out. Say if I wanted the background to decrease the contrast or raise it completely on the photo, you can do that. Okay, now let's go ahead and check out the front facing camera. That's pretty cool, actually, not bad. Let me see if I can raise the exposure on that. Yeah, you can do the same thing. See, I can increase the exposure that's in the back like I did in the rear camera. But I would actually just keep it automatic and let it do its magic on its own. You guys have it. Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about the Moto E5 camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys in the next one.